this is part 2 of what Autumn's going to be driving. So we're in front of the F-150, our YouTube truck. Anyhow, I drove Autumn this morning to Harrison, Michigan, nearby where Ronti Sawyer works. So anyways, some of you who follow our channel see him once in a while. So anyways, we were driving and we decided to pull down into small town America, a little tiny town called Roscommon, Michigan. Their high school is called the Roscommon Bucks, so like the deer. And we're at Hart Ford, locally owned by the Hart family. So they've been around, I think 2 or 3 generations, I believe about 3 generations. So mom and pop dealership, and we pulled in and we found Autumn her ride. And you're gonna see it right now. So let's see what she's gonna be driving. I'm gonna be driving it too once in a while. Yeah, he is. So let's check it out. So we're gonna go around that corner and you're gonna see our new ride that we are taking out of here. We were not planning on necessarily buying this today. We've had a lot of conversations. We've been back and forth between different vehicles. We looked at the Bronco, we looked at everything. But I think this is really where we were. We're calling her Aggie because she's agate black. So I'm pretty excited. Are you excited? Also known as? What? Also known as the Beast. So now we're gonna have the Godzilla and the Beast. And we still have Michigan. And yeah, we're gonna keep the blue F-150. That's gonna be what I'm driving back and forth to work. That's gonna be the runner now. The runner. But this is the Beast, and it is awesome. So here we go. Going around. Here she is. Her name is Aggie. It's black. Agate, is it? They call it agate black? Yeah, agate. Okay. Yep. So agate is a rock along Lake Michigan. So black and chrome. Black and chrome. And it's got a 400-watt inverter in the back. It's the 6.5-foot bed. We seem to like big trucks. Crew cab, full crew cab. And so this is the 3.5 liter EcoBoost and 36 gas. So the other one's the 5 liter gas, and this is the 3.5 liter EcoBoost. No leather seats. So it's nice. Really nice cloth. We will find out which truck over time lasts longer and stuff like that. So the 21, they redesigned it and they call it the Beast. Yep. And so follow us along for more videos about the Beast. And it's got the 12-inch screen. So we'll do a video on the features soon. But yeah, pretty exciting. You can fire it up. Oh, yep. I'm still learning. You have to put your foot on the brake. Oh, see, I'm still learning. See, now they've all seen my craziness. Okay, we're like in a dark alley and we're going to show the safety feature of good lighting. So what do you got to say about this? We're going to the Beast right now. It's dark and cold. And windy. And windy. But as soon as we get close to it, the lights will come on. So where's your keys? Nice where's your keys? Bottom of my purse. Okay, keys are in your purse. I'm not going to touch it. Not going to touch it. Here we go. How far away till it lights up? Probably within 5 or 10 feet. But you should see it pretty soon. There it goes. Okay, that's pretty cool. So it just lit up with your key fob, just knowing that you're there. Yep, and it's got all of the lighting on. And then as soon as I touch the handle, it'll unlock. Right. So unlocks knowing that you're there with your key fob. Pretty cool. Okay. we might as well include this in the reveal video. Already 1,000 miles. Getting ready to pick up Autumn from the airport. She is out of town for work for a few days.
Good morning.
So, as you can see, yesterday I hit the 1,000 miles mark. We did 1,000 miles, 13 days, and I picked up Autumn at the airport yesterday. She's back home.
This is partly my fault because I just got over being sick for a month, and I wanted to get out of the house, so I drove to Frankenmuth to the Christmas store because, you know, that's where all happy things are and happy music. It was probably not a good weekend to go because it was very busy, but I put on some extra miles. Oops.
So we both have our adventure sides. So anyways, thanks a lot for watching. We hope everybody had a great Thanksgiving, and we hope everybody is able to gear up for Christmas and have time with family, friends, and remember the true meaning of Christmas, and just keep it simple. And
we'll have some more videos about the beast that we're calling it. So coming up soon, just some of the features, some of the different things we're doing with it. And there'll be more videos coming this month. Kids are coming home. I've got another trip planned. I just came back from a work trip. So we have lots of things going on here at Adventurerhoades Ranch. And we have something coming up in the spring that's really big. So just a lot of stuff. And we'll be talking about that more as the months go forward.
And then we'll be doing, obviously, our snow clearing because Old Man Winter is knocking on the door.
Yeah, so I get off the plane, literally get off the plane in Traverse City yesterday. And he's like, yeah, one of his guys at work, his coworker says, hey, you know, I think you need a blower for that tractor. And I'm like, what? So now we're talking about blowers because there's a lot of snow. So
yeah, we'll look into that. We might have some videos out on how we're doing some of our snow removal because we do get our share of snow. So thanks a lot for watching. Click subscribe, hit like, and share with your friends. And thanks for watching Adventurerhoades, and create your own story today.